Well, this is a very nice example of an Empire model number 92, one of the few vertical boilered Empire engines. This is an eBay acquisition. It's missing safety valve and smokestack and also the top of the whistle, but I've got, to get it running, I can borrow safety valve smokestack from another Empire engine in my collection, because they were all the same thread, so that's quite easy. The heating element doesn't appear to be working, as in it's showing open circuit when measured on the meter, so that needs to be investigated. But no, it's in very good condition actually. So this is all free and everything. It's an oscillating cylinder on this one. Yeah, we need to investigate the heating element, and hopefully we'll be able to get this thing running. Well, the heating element has been repaired, hopefully. Certainly now it gives us a decent reading on the multimeter. So let's fire it up and see whether it goes. We've definitely got steam up. Yep, it does appear to be working. Amazing. I think I might have overfilled the boiler slightly too much. But it's definitely running. Running quite well actually. Empire number 92. Running after its heater repair for the first time. Just need to get a whistle top for it now and a smokestack and make a safety valve, because obviously this is the safety valve's been borrowed. So yeah, running a treat now. Anyway, there you go, one Empire model number 92, vertical boilered, oscillating cylinder, model steam engine running under its own steam for the first time. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers!